as a client, we need to know what are the usage, okay, for this renovation. What is the purpose for this renovation? Maybe it's just for a rental or your own use. So we have to scoop down what are the purpose for this renovation, because we also have some client. At first they say, I want this, that, all kind of design into their house, but then along the way, during the development on the design development, end up they say, okay, actually this house is for rental. So for rental, definitely we just have to think from, is it durable or not, the material that we use. So we can suit to the budget and the usage. We can advise what are the material is the best to use for this area. So to discuss your budget and the timeline, so have to set expectation. We need to know, okay, during the whole construction, actually during the whole construction matter, we have to regular conduct a site visit with a contractor, designer, to see is it the design same what we discussed before. And then we have to maintain the ongoing communication. So just as I mentioned, the frequent check-ins during project ongoing, have to walk through with the contractors and ask questions. Hey, why the plumbing like this? How's the plumbing routing? What is the electrical works routing? So you have to ask, hey, how to ensure this not leaking? They will say, okay, we will conduct a bonding test. So if the bonding test 2 days is no issue, then it's okay to go for the screening. And the feedback loop, we have to on track on these changes, because along the way, they have a lot of changes. So maybe sometimes it's only through the phone, maybe sometimes in only discuss aside. So what things have to change? I don't want this kind of door. I have to change. I don't like this kind of colors. So all of these promises or changing have to be to use a WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp's very easy to use. Then we just put down all these point on that, and then we share to our contractors to remind the discussion on that day, and use the right language. Okay, because sometimes contractor might using contractor language. All this actually is our contractor terms. So if you're not sure, you have to make clear with your contractor or ID what they're talking about, what is the right language on that items. So can I extend the house without authority approval? Okay, if they come, I just pay lah. Wow, why I need to spend so much for consultant fee? So this is I mean, it's a clause from the authority. Different authority, you have a different amount. Usually you'll be 10 times from the submission fee. If let's say now you extend another 300 square feet, so cost the submission fee will be 1,500. So it will be charged for 10 times the 1,500, it will be 15,000. So if let's say they come for checking, or they get some complaint from your neighbor, so only they will come. Okay, this house in Alam Damai, so this abandoned for 10 years before we going in for renovation, because the last owner, the previous owner, so they didn't follow the regulation from the DBKL. They extend the whole house until the fencing, and then end up the neighbor complain to the DBKL. The DBKL came with excavator, come with a lorry to break back and their house. This might be happen if they receive complaint from neighbor.